Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I just have a quick video for you guys. It's going to be on this Whitco here. If I can get the camera to cooperate. There you go. But yeah, it's just a wafer lock. As you guys know, they're not too hard to pick. But this one's kind of cool for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's so short. You would think that it only has 5 wafers. Well, at least I would anyway. But when you look at the key, you can see it's bitted differently on either side, and in fact, it's actually a 10 wafer lock. I have not seen a wafer lock in a double-sided Euro cylinder like this, so yeah, I thought it was worth sharing. And it has a really cool disassembly method too that I thought was kind of interesting. In fact, it actually took me longer to figure out how to disassemble it than it did to pick it. But I'll go in here and pick it. I'll just, oops, really not the right tension wrench for this, but it doesn't really matter for this. Well, apparently it kind of does. But yeah, I'll just get a better focus. I'll just brush up against the top wafers, brush up against the bottom. Oh, it was stuck there. And it's open, and that's no fluke at all. It actually, well, it usually opens a bit faster. Kind of little turn on the core when I brush up against the top, and then little turn on the core when I brush against the bottom, and another brush usually opens it up. But yeah, like I said, when it comes to disassembling this, I had no idea where to start. There's no C-clip, but once you get to this point here, you can see two little, wow, camera, really? You can see two little doodads there, and in fact those are actually the retention wafer. So once I realized that, I push them down with something, stick in the key. Actually, it's already coming out. Stick in the key and give it a little yank, and the core comes out, and in fact you can see our 10 wafers. Maybe. And they're grouped in 2 with a space between. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and your retention wafer. So yeah, like I said, I thought that was kind of cool. I've never seen a Euro wafer lock before. Sure, there are plenty of them. I haven't seen one. I don't have many Euros in my collection. And yeah, I thought that was worth a share. And to put it back together, it's just as easy. I just depress that retention wafer with the core there, and slip it back in, and it's back to working order. Alright guys, that's it for today. Like I said, just a short video. Kind of cool little lock. Something I've never seen before, and maybe some of you haven't seen it before. That's it for today, guys. And as always, don't pick locks that you don't own or that you don't have permission to pick. Alright guys, take care.